Hey peeps, welcome back to Project Anonymous, and in today's video,
we're going to do some unboxing and take a look at our new Samsung 28-inch 4K monitor.
So let's get to it. So this monitor will be used on our Mac Mini, which I use for editing. Originally, I started off editing with this 2013 MacBook Pro, and then I upgraded to using a Mac Mini, but the monitor is a little janky. It's a very old little TV.
Yes, so we just use the HDMI port of an old small TV, and it has its limitations, especially when it comes to Megan's editing thing.
And I think this...
The Fishtastic fish.
Fantastic.
Oh.
So this is what this setup is right now. As you can see, it's the TV we were talking about.
Yeah, probably hard to pick up on camera, but the quality is not great, and it's kind of jumpy a little bit, and the colors aren't very nice.
Yeah, you can see like every pixel pretty much. Yeah, I think the colors could be better, so I can color grade a little bit nicer. This monitor is 4K and is 28 inches. It has a 60 Hz refresh rate, a 4 millisecond response time, and it's Free Sync AMD Adaptive Sync. And this is an IPS panel type. It has 2 HDMI inputs. It comes with a monitor, stand, and HDMI cable. So this monitor is actually adaptable for mounting on the wall. I actually include this little slot so you can do some cable management. I don't know if you guys can tell on the screen, but it's very nice looking. I like it.
So this is like a toggle button down here to make selections on your settings.
So I've now had this monitor for a month or so, and I'd say it's actually working very well. I didn't return it. So I'd say it's actually comparable to higher price point monitors. So I'd recommend it. So that's the monitor. I think it's really nice. It looks pretty cool. It has a bunch of different settings I'll have to play around with.
Definitely an upgrade for you.
Because I was just using a old 1080p TV. This monitor has a lot of features which I'm excited to try out. Like the stand can tilt. And when you use that little toggle menu, it brings up a bunch of different settings.
Including picture-in-picture.
Yeah.
So you can watch TV while you edit if you wanted to.
So we got this monitor at Best Buy and there wasn't any on display. So we decided to take it home because they said there would be a 14-day return policy. So I don't know if we'll have a need to return it.
Hopefully not.
Yeah. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it if you liked it.
Like it.
Subscribe if you enjoy our content.
Subscribe.
And turn on those notifications so you get my every single time we post a video. Stay crafty.
And be happy.
Bye.